In this video, I'm going to show you how you can minimize YouTube on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and do that now. So first I will check in your settings. So go in settings and we need to go to the picture-in-picture mode. To do that, once you are in the main settings window, you can scroll down and go to general. And then here you can find picture-in-picture. Make sure that this is turned on. Once you've done that, you can head over to YouTube. And once you're in YouTube, click on your profile in the bottom right hand corner, then go to settings in the top right. Once you've done that, you can then scroll down to playback here under video and audio preferences, and then make sure picture in picture is enabled. If you've got both of those enabled, you will then be able to click on any video. So I'll click on this Charlie Morgan video. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and swipe down so it's playing in a window in the bottom. Then if you swipe up out of the YouTube app, you can then move this around. Now this is provided that you have YouTube Premium, or if you're in America, I think you'll have this feature already, but in other countries you are going to need Premium. But that is how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.